Hey guys, what's up? Donut Dude 80 here, or ROBLOX way. Today we're going to be showing you how to use Ekseption Engine version 1.2. Now, I haven't really, updated this in a while. I decided, let's go back to it because why not? But anyways, um, Roblox actually kind of helped Ekseption Engine. I mean, yeah, or if you can put it that way. Like, they added a new user interface editor, so it's, Exception Engine is 10 times better, or 10 times easier in every way. Alright, so basically, this is the title, or the main page. You could edit all this by just going to Properties, which is down right here. And see text. Let's say if I want to make a new game. Just leave the version and script and written by. You could change that also by made by Donut Dude. Oh God! Wow, my typing skills is very behind. All right, and you could do whatever you want there. You could put an image right there. It depends. Yeah, let's just put a, because why not? This demonstrates the characteristics or features, and yeah, you get the idea. It's basically, now that Roblox has implemented this user interface editor, it's just a drag and drop thing, nothing special. But so yeah, that's the main page. Let's go to the game. Oh, again. Okay. So if you want to edit your game, you're going to have to make the main page invisible. So you're going to click this visible check mark or whatever, and it should disappear. Let's do the same, but you're enabling visibility for the game page. Alright, so this is where you put text. You can try it. And if you double click it, you could put text or whatever, saying, you, oops. Alright, so simple as that. You just double click to edit it, click it again, and just change this left, right. Oh, guess that didn't work. Right. Alright, so made it 10 times easier. Back when Roblox didn't have any of this graphical user interface features, you would have to go into the buttons and edit them in the properties, which took so long. Like, I don't know if you guys remember or not, but it was just a painful, grueling process. It's kind of the reason why I stopped development, is because it was just too hard to maintain at this point. But it's now getting to the point where it's fine. You could do everything. So yeah, if you want to add more choices, you could just go text button. I'm not gonna really play with this that much. I'm just gonna show you how it works. Now, I'm just going to show you how the choices work, because that's going to be different. Like, you don't press a button and that goes there. Now, it's going to, or maybe it does. I haven't really been on Roblox for a while, but anyways, there's going to be a script in the game frame, and you can see it's been written by me. So yeah, basically, this tells you when this button is clicked, it goes to the next frame. I'll explain that later. But when submit button 1 is pressed, which is this one right there, it goes to, let's see, this frame, which we don't have. So I'm going to demonstrate that really quick. We're going to duplicate this, call it left. And you have to notice how this frame is named left. You're going to also do that here. Alright, so I'm going to actually create a comment saying change to frame, I guess you could say. And so that should work. And I'm going to do the same thing here to the other button. So when they click right, it says you went right. So yeah, and notice how there's going to be two scripts per or there's going to be a script per choice. So if you want to add a new choice, you're going to have to add it or duplicate a script and edit it from there. And yeah, it's really simple, and I'm going to demonstrate it right now. It's going to be called write. Alright, so once you're finished with editing the one you're working on, you can now click invisible, and we're going to make that invisible. Edit this, and it's going to say, oh man, they don't let me do anything. Alright, it says you went left. Right. And we're not going to edit any of the buttons because I'm trying to make this tutorial short as possible. So we could now make that invisible, make this visible, and say you went right. Alright. So to save changes, you're going to click invisible, make main visible again. Then let's see if it goes. Yep, it should work. Because you see how this frame is named main, right? So when I go and click start, which is this button right there, it's going to go to game, which is this frame right there. So, excuse me, we're going to test it out. Alright, start, you walk in a hall, go left or right, let's go left, you went left. And, oops, why did I do that? Sorry about that. And, I'm going to test it out again, start, you went right. So everything seems to be in working order. If you guys didn't really understand it, you can always just go back and see what I just did. But yeah, that is all there is to it, to the new Ekseption Engine version 1.2.